This is the isolation slab tool, and when I am first breaking out forms, I tend to use this for my sketching because it gives me a nice wide line. And I'm just kind of sketching in here. And now I can go deeper on some of these. And what this is going to help me do is going to make sure that when I go back and dry brush this, like past the molding, past the sculpting, you know, when I am dry brushing this, now I am able to make sure that I'm going to have a little bit of black in between these shapes. And this pointed tool with that flat edge does some good work for this. This side I use quite a bit when you marry the sculpture to the board and you want to clean up that edge. I clean that up with this. And if your sculpture hangs over or whatever, then you can always go sideways this way and clean it. Or if you need a right angle on this, you can also just pull that away that way. So I know I want to remove a lot of material under that cheek. And you can do that with a loop tool, or sometimes I'll plane it away with one of these guys. Get that nasal labial fold in there, really show where it's going to be later. Isolation slab tool.